Hello, shamanettes, and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. So, a close friend of mine has arthritis in her thumb joints, and it's a daily struggle to deal with things like holding the phone. I don't know if many of you are like that, but if you have any hand pain, it's really hard to hold the phone. Or if you're a runner like I am and you have joint pain in your knees. But she has a hard time with things like opening a can or even doing her hair because as she blows her hair out, obviously you have to use your thumb joint to do that. Okay, so many of you are like that. So the Happy Buddha Company, Hemp Company, Happy Buddha Hemp Company, try that saying that 5 times fast, said they had a topical Spagric full spectrum CBD balm and cream to soothe pain, inflammation, and injury. I jumped at it. So they sent me some products. I don't get anything for this. This is completely my opinion. But we here in my household, we have been using this. And I think many of you would really like this product, and which has motivated me to do a video on it and share it with you. I want to share with you the results that my friend has with her thumbs and how she has experienced it, the results that she's had, and why. There are 5 items. We're going to quickly run through this, and hopefully you can find some of these to be very helpful for you. Let's get going. Okay, so as we get started here, please hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up. It helps the algorithm to know I'm here and send out my work so other older women can find me. So please, please, please do that before we do anything else, please. Buddha Balm Salve with Spagric full spectrum CBD essential oils and organic ingredients. It provides heating and cooling when applied directly to the affected area. So that's this right here. It soothes inflammation and you can feel it. It is $22. So my friend takes it, puts it on her thumb every single day and feels that getting in there and heating it. That's the CBD mixture that's in here that does that. I don't know exactly all the ingredients that do that, but the balm itself, my favorite product out of anything that I've tried here, is really phenomenal. So again, I use it on my knees. You can use it on anything that has inflammation and joint pain, and it works immediately. And $22 is a great, great, great price point for this. So she has loved it. I have been super happy with it. So I definitely recommend it if you're struggling to find something to put on your joints that is non-toxic. Many companies use chemicals in their processes. This particular company does not. It is 100% organic clean. Love that. So you're not going to have any side effects with this. So if you're using products for your joint pain or inflammation, anything like that, and you're having some side effects or you're nervous about the ingredients and what those chemicals are doing to your body, this is the brand you want to look at because it does not do any of that. And it's unusual to find a brand that doesn't use chemicals at all. So that's why I'm talking about it. Okay, the second product is the sports cream, the CBD sports cream. I use this a lot. I really love this. So the sports cream has a smooth whipped texture and you can use it on severe aches and pains. It's ideal for sports recovery, massage, and pain management. It contains camphor and menthol as well as CBD. It works immediately. It is $60. The price point's higher because of the ingredients. So this is great. I use this every day on my knees before I go for a run. Many of you are like, why are you running? Like you're over 50, but I love to run. It's like the thing I love to do is get up, go for a run. The area I live in is spectacularly beautiful. So it's just like, sometimes if my knees hurt, I'll walk instead or I'll power walk, but I love to run. So I'm doing everything I can to keep the body going with this. But I use a little bit of sports cream. If you don't have sports injuries, but you do have other injuries or kind of consistent discomfort or pain with your joints, with muscles, I would say this is phenomenal. If you do want a massage and you use this, great for that. Again, all non-toxic, all clean, all made by them in Colorado. So love that. Okay, the next one is the Lavenderia Face and Body Cream. So this is lavender. I mean, what's not to love? I'm a huge lavender fan. I love lavender everything. It's like my favorite scent. So I was super happy about this. I have lathered it all over my body. Yes, it's wonderful. So if you need a good moisturizer, I would say it's great. It's paraben and preservative free, organic with essential oils and full spectrum CBD. CBD gives you salts, minerals, terpenes, and trace amounts of THC, which gives you hydration, calming, and soothing effects. So that's why CBD is so great because it is so full of nutrients. So if you're buying a brand that contains chemicals or just isn't non-toxic, you're just not going to get all of those great nutrients in it. So you're not only hydrating your skin, you're also giving it the gift of nutrients. So really happy with that. Okay, this is the most fun. It's gummies. They sent me some gummies. I love gummies. I'm a gummy fan. This does have THC, so this does have an effect on your mood, your emotions. It has 2 milligrams. It's 50 milligrams of CBD, 2 milligrams of THC. I can only have half of these. So I take one, I cut it in half, watch a good television program. It's really nice, relaxes your whole body. So I think their gummies they're tasty and they do, really relax you. So you won't get stoned. You just get really relaxed. So some of you can take a whole. I would say start with a quarter and then work your way up. I think gummies, depending on the amount of THC in them, can have a greater or lesser effect. So, beware of that. But these are in watermelon and sour apple. Like I said, it contains 25 milligrams of water-soluble nano-emulsified broad-spectrum CBD. This is made not using chemicals like I've already talked about. So these are $50 for 30. Many of you want to ask this question. I'll answer it. Do they ship to every state? They do not ship to every state. There are a few states that do not allow the quantity of THC that they have in a couple of their products. Depends on what you order and depends on the state. So do look into your state's rules before you order. I would say majority of the states, yes, they do ship to them. Okay, the next one is the Magic Mender CBD cream. This is 100% plant powered with full CBD spectrum extract. It's a multi-purpose salve and it's wonderful for wounds and rashes, bruises and bug bites, scars, stretch marks, acne, eczema and infections, dry skin, sore joints and muscles. It contains aloe vera, beeswax, castor oil, olive oil and St. John's wort. So what I like with this is I put it in my bag. Whenever I'm sort of sampling products, I keep things in my bag, I take them out, and I use them throughout the day, and whoever I'm with also uses them. So that's how I learn, like, does this work? What do we think? So I use this on my fingernails. So I tend to have very dry cuticles. So I've been using it on that, and also my feet because, feet are feet. I like to lather that up a little bit. It's really, really nice. It's a great salve. I've used it on my lips. I think it's a lovely salve. I mean, this one is it's a nice product. I would say the ones, if you want something that's got more oomph, that's really going to do more for your body, specifically, I would use the sports cream or the Buddha Balm. Those are absolutely phenomenal. I would say this is a really good thing. If you just constantly have dry skin and you want to keep something effective in your handbag, this is great. Okay, so that's it for Happy Buddha Hemp. I'm a big fan. I think they've done a great job of formulating some really solid products that are effective, that work. In particular, again, my favorite one, the Buddha Hemp. Do give this the Buddha Balm. Do give this a go. I think this is wonderful. Please write down below if you have any questions. I will put their link in the drop down below for you to check out. Please write. I always love hearing from you, and have an awesome day.